bumpy,
Yeah.
you know? Nope. Good shot, right?
Yep.
Well, we don't take a signal is, right?
Right.
One time me and Dad went over here,
Uh-huh.
the gate went down on top of us almost.
Oh my.
That happens.
Oh yeah.
That's why people have to be careful when it comes to crossings,
Yes.
because the train could be right there, you know?
Uh-huh.
So far the gates are up. I can see them. Car just went over the track.
Yeah, we got 2 cars behind us.
Oh, I saw them. Us?
Behind us, yeah.
Ah, man. How far?
Not that far.
Oh, great. Oh, here's the signal at 5:07 p.m. I wonder what they're working on over there. Please be something. Please be a car. What? Blinking? Oh, I don't think so. Probably blinking.
What the heck?
Yeah, I thought it was blinking at first.
Yeah.